Hello everyone, today I am going to be showing you a taster of what the Distance Learning Hub's Cooking for Fun module involves to encourage you to take part in this, to help develop your skills and knowledge when you are in the kitchen and so that you build up more confidence when working on a vital life skill that we all use in our daily lives. The sections that I will be taking you through are listed down the left-hand side of the page and include hygiene and safety, which shows you how to maintain good hygiene and safety practices in the kitchen. The measurement conversion chart details what all the units of measurements mean. There will also be recipe suggestions throughout this taster to give you inspiration of new dishes for you to try. For example, avalanche bark, trail mix, and curried carrot and apple soup. But remember, there are more recipes for you to have a go at within this module. In the hygiene and safety section, you are shown lists of information of why it is important to wash your hands regularly and after certain activities. Look at the list of items that should also be washed. Look through the storage rules of how food should be stored correctly and why kitchen storage has to be at a certain temperature. Look at the general safety sections to learn how to use sharp objects correctly, and once you have read through all of this important information, have a go at the quiz at the bottom of the page to test your knowledge on how much you remember reading from this section. Now you have learnt the basics of good practices of hygiene and safety. We will be moving on to what a measurement conversion chart is and how it helps us when we are working in the kitchen. First, look at the differences between measurements when you're baking and then for when you're cooking. Then after this, look through the variety of measuring methods and how you would use them to measure different weights of different foods. Have a look at the temperature chart to discover the different settings that certain types of ovens have, and next to this you will see a chart of how best to measure solids and liquids. And lastly, at the bottom of this page you have a quick conversions section to help you turn grams into ounces and how to turn your oven to the correct temperature to fit the one that we used when we made all of our recipes. Lastly, to round up this taster, I will be showing recipes that we offer within the Cooking for Fun module to give you some inspiration to whet your appetite to get busy within the kitchen and try creating something that you may never have had before. I hope you have found this taster interesting and you are now inspired to start cooking for fun whilst also becoming more confident in the kitchen, and you are now eager to try out something new.